So for the last part of this assignment, I'm going to use the advanced Google search command features to search the same topic that I used for the other two. So the first one is all in title. So I came to Google and I typed in all in title and then boosting immune system through physical exercise. We'll see what comes up. So there's one article. So now we are going to do the all-in URL. And we're going to search the same topic. So nothing came up for that. So let me see if maybe by kind of rewording that, I can get more to come up. Okay, so I redid my search. And so we have some actual articles that came up for this one. And then we'll move on to the last one, which is at, and this searches social media. Okay, so I added at Facebook and then put in my topic. And so some videos have come up and some different articles on Facebook.